We're going to go over the markets. Now, we were up. We had another update today, guys. So the Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, and even the Russell were all up today. So we're going to go over those, right? So we're continuing to be very, very bullish in the equity market. So let's get right to it. All right. So welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. All right. So the Dow was up 236 points for the day. NASDAQ was up. All right, S&P was up and the Russell was also up for the day, okay? Let's take a look at the Dow, so the diamonds right here. I'm sorry, the S&P right here. All right, so S&P, guys, look at that price action. Really good price action. All right, here was the selling over V here. Recaptured the trend line. And guess what? We've got buyers in here. Here's the all-time high right here, guys. So we are right there approaching the all-time high. If buyers come in tomorrow, guess what? We'll break through that all-time high. Just amazing price action. All right. Who would have thought? Right here it is in August, mid-August, and we're testing the all-time highs on the S&P. All right. So 3 days of green candles. So 3 days of buying here. And we'll count these. I know they're red candles here, but they're making higher lows here. So from right here, we've been moving higher. Again, resistance is here. Really good price action on the S&P. Now, we're going to wait to call a buy signal on the equity markets until we get a buy signal. All right? So we'll wait to get a buy signal from our systems. All right? To give, all right, so a buy signal like this, guys. So a buy signal here, your blue arrow here, buy signal here. We don't have that yet, okay? So we break through that resistance right here. We'll get a buy signal. So we'll wait on that. We are seeing a lot of good stocks coming through in Stock Boss, Heat Seeker, Stock Boss, and Boom Master. Okay, but we're going to hold off. We need a confirmed buy signal to really start adding stocks. Okay, on the NASDAQ, the Qs, QQQ, NASDAQ. All right, also, we've got really good price action, guys. Okay, all right. So here's our trend line. Let's bring that in. All righty. And here we are. All right. Green candles coming in. Right. Recovered the moving average. And we are moving higher. Resistance is here on the NASDAQ, on the QQQ. Okay. Again, buy signal will come in somewhere up in this area here after we break through that resistance. Sometimes it will get, a buy signal might come in right before that break of resistance. Okay, so no buy signal yet, but really, really good price action. Okay. On the diamonds, right, the Dow, DIA, let's see here. All right. Also, we don't have a buy signal. We're waiting, but boy, that looks really close. So the Dow looks really close to breaking resistance. The Dow is at 40,000, guys, 896. Okay. So here we are, recaptured the moving average, recaptured the trend line, and here we are right here. Here's the all-time highs on the Dow. Okay. And 40,008. 96 is where we are on the Dow. All right. But DIA, you guys can trade the DIA, but guess what? Wait for that buy signal if you're trading on the daily time frame. All right. So S&P, NASDAQ, those are large cap. No, small cap. All right. So the Russell, guys, Russell got a pop today. All right. Russell made a move. So the IWM. All right, let's take a look. All right, guys. So the IWM, guys, hey, Tamara, welcome. IWM, guys, broke through that resistance right here, broke through that resistance. All right, and as long as we can hold above resistance on the IWM, that's all we need, okay? So we got to stay above resistance, and, we have buyers here. That's good, okay? Next level, though, for the IWM to really get going here with small caps, we need to get past, what's that number there? 225, okay? All right, so let's do this. All right. All right, so we just need the IWM Russell to just keep moving higher. That will help small caps, okay? The VIX, all right, moved a little lower. It's trading at 1465, so that's low VIX. That's good. All right, so guys, market's moving higher, but just remember right here, all right, we need to break through that resistance. You could see sellers come in right around in here, all right, and put pressure on those buyers there, okay? But based on the price action, based on how things are moving, we should move higher, okay? We're starting to see some of the sectors get into play. So consumer staples, we have a consumer services, a new up. Financials, we have a new up. But we know we don't have, as far as the technical analysis, we don't have to show you guys that. We know that's nothing there. As an example, financials, let's take a quick look. Financials right here, we know, guys, that we still need a buy signal. Good price action here, okay, but we don't have any buy signal on that sector, but good price action. So just wait on stocks for right now, okay? We want a confirmed buy signal, On the Mag 7, we forgot to take a look at the Magnificent 7 last night. So let's take a quick look at those. So NVIDIA, guys, we did a video on NVIDIA and performing really well. So NVIDIA right now is at 130, guys. Good price action, good strong buying, a good finish today. Strong finish today on this candle. Closed at the high. All right, the resistance is right at, what's that, the high was 140 right here. But resistance, let's call it 130, 136 with 130 right now. So good chance it will break through that resistance. If it does, we could see NVIDIA move higher. Now, we don't have a buy signal yet on the daily. And I know some of you got in early on the 60-minute. I've heard from you guys. All right, so good price action, but just manage that trade. We'll keep it on the daily. All right. So we'll just wait for a buy signal here on the daily. All right, Tesla. All right, Tesla. Look here. Tesla, guys, give a green candle today. Okay, so here's your V. Green candle today. That's bullish. That looks really good. Resistance is all the way up here. No buy signal yet. Okay, so we're not calling buys on these, guys. Google right here. All right. To get a buy signal, let's call it green candles. No buy signal yet. Green candles, all right, we've got to get above that green moving average right here. So we are close. An update tomorrow might give us a white or green candle. All right, so not ready yet. Microsoft, all right, Microsoft. We've got some white candles coming in. Okay, white candles coming in. We need to recapture that moving average, get some green candles so we know buyers are coming in. Okay, but again, no buy signals yet on any of these. Amazon, all right, white candles coming in. So we should get market holds, green candles. All right, then test resistance here. Meta, Facebook, okay, we are above resistance. Look here, good price action. All right, trading above resistance. All right, anywhere in, we should start getting a buy signal soon. Okay, so that might come in soon, somewhere up in this area here. It has broken resistance. Okay, Apple, good price action, green candles. Again, we need to get past that resistance. Okay, this one looks like it might create a cup and handle, right, where it might consolidate a bit here, right? Very choppy in the candles. If you guys look here, right, not a lot of volume here in the candle, so we might see where it settles in here, create a cup and handle, and then move higher. Okay, let's go through current positions. Current positions in Monster Scalper, long positions on the 60-minute time frame. Okay. All right, Aussie Swiss. All right, Aussie Swiss, buy signal here, guys. Got out here, got back in, and trading nicely here on the 60-minute time frame. So Aussie Swiss, all right, looks good. Let's bring this. All right, so we'll continue to hold that trade. All right, looking to break through the high right here. New Zealand Swiss, all right, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Let's remove this. All right, so New Zealand Swiss got past resistance here, moving up nicely here. Okay, buy signal here, all green candles in the markup phase. We've got a couple of shorts. On the 60-minute time frame. These are dollar shorts. So USD PLN short here, guys, that's still performing well. And then dollar CAD, look at dollar CAD. Sell short signal here, moving down nicely on the 60-minute time frame. That dollar trade is really developing. All right, we might regret not getting in more in the dollar short. Let's take a quick look at the dollar index here. All right, dollar index, yep, it's breaking through that support. Look at the dollar index. All right, breaking through that support. Target is all the way down here. So dollar pairs short really starting to move. All right. All right, long positions on the 240 in Monster Scalper. Let's take a look at those. All right, Aussie Swiss, it's still holding its position. Good trade going here. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. Aussie CAD, guys, buy signal here. Look at that, really good price action. So those Aussie pairs. And Aussie dollar, buy signal here. Look at that, near its target. All right, moving up nicely. Look here. Look at that, beautiful trade here. Okay, and just keep in mind, sellers are sitting here, so pay attention to it as it moves higher. Hopefully, breaks through that resistance and move higher. So Aussie pairs are doing fine in Monster Scalper on your 240-minute time frame right here. Okay, so Aussie Swiss doing well, Aussie CAD, and then Aussie dollar. Okay, let's take a look at the yen pairs. So Aussie yen, that's holding firm. Would be great to see these yen pairs move higher. Aussie yen, New Zealand yen. All right, holding. I need to break through resistance here, holding right now. All right, they're holding, that's good. CAD yen. All right, CAD yen close, guys. Okay, so buy signal was here. Red candle, sell signal, close the trade, please. Okay, so CAD yen, close the trade. Euro yen, also close. So sell signal right here. Red candle, buy signal here, close the trade. Okay, that's too bad. Pound yen. All right, pound yen held. Okay, so Let's do this. Here's your target here. Bring in your trend line. All right. All right. It did test previous resistance here, become support, held, and guess what? Moving higher. This is where we really get, right? Our trading can really affect us when we put a stop loss. Okay, guys? So if you put a stop loss, right? So here is resistance, here is support. Just remember, right? If you're going to put a protective stop, put it way below that support line right here, somewhere in here, okay? I know it's far away, but you put your stop anywhere in this area in here, you're going to get stopped out, okay? And then that price is going to go up just like it's doing now. So just be careful when you guys do that, okay? All right, so pound yen, buy signal here, moving up nicely, green candles there. Swiss yen, that closed. Buy signal here, sellers came in, closed the trade, please. Okay, so Swiss yen, closed the trade. All right, we might have to take a look at this dollar pair short this evening, but I'm afraid they've probably gone. All right, very choppy trading there, but based on that dollar index, how it's breaking that support, it might open up. All right, shorts, we have two shorts on the 240, and we have two pairs, dollar pairs. So at least we've got 4 trades, 2 on the 60, 2 on the 240. I think we have a few on the daily in Forex Dominator. USD okay, great short going here, guys. Sell short here, we got in right about here and nearing its target right here, okay? So keep an eye on that if you guys are watching it, okay? Hopefully it breaks through that. No sign that it's slowing down yet, okay? So hopefully it breaks through that support area. And then USD PLN broke through support, okay? Sell short signal here and is breaking through. So these dollar pairs are really, dollar short really starting to open up. On the 240, we've got some long trades. Did we go through those? Yeah, we went through those already. Okay. Forex Dominator, long positions, the same euro pairs. All right. Nothing much here. I don't think we're moving much still. All right. Euro CAD, just holding here. Euro Aussie. All right, Euro Aussie, guys, closed Euro Aussie. Buy signal was right here, and we don't have red candles here, but that doesn't look good there, okay? And it's failing to stay above resistance here. So Euro Aussie, close the trade, please. All right, and Euro New Zealand, let's close that. And you guys know what we were doing here. Really not supposed to be in these trades, okay? We were hoping for a breakout. That's not happening. But Euro CAD will keep this for now. Okay. We've got 2 shorts in Forex Dominator with the dollar pairs. Okay. All right, USD CZK, sell short signal here, guys. Performing well so far. We have support right here, okay? Based on how the dollar is doing, we could get to support here and hopefully break through. Oh, hold on. We have one more. USD PLN. So we have that on the 240, we've got it on the 60, and now we also have it on the daily. This could possibly work out well. Okay, we have support here, pretty big support for a long time, and here it is breaking down right here. Good price action came in today. on the downside. Okay, so USD, PLN doing great on all three time frames, 60, 240, and on the daily. Okay. Quick look at equities, current positions in stock boss. We don't have a lot, but we might start adding here. I mean, we could add now, but let's see what, let's see what the sellers do at resistance, these resistance levels here. All right. AIG, buy signal here, holding firm in stock boss. All right. AQST, buy signal here, moving up nicely in stock boss. AVXL got saved by a green candle right here. So buyers came back in after some neutral there, buying. And APPS, look at that. Good price action, guys. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. That buy signal came in at 251, guys. Trading at 4, all right, 418. Almost doubled already quickly, too. All right. So target on this one, near-term target is about, let's bring that right about here, which is $6. If it moves higher, right, breaks through that resistance, next target is about, let's call it right about here, and then perhaps up here. Okay, good markdown phase, choppy, but some choppiness there, but overall not bad, and the market is going higher. This is small cap, right? Small companies, chip company here. Okay. All right, APPS. And we also have, do we have anything in Bullmaster? Yeah, we've had 2 stocks in Bullmaster. Let's take a look at those. Those were recently added. All right, so HCA, all right. All right, buy signal here, holding firm. THC, guys, buy signal here, moving up nicely here. Good markup phase. Look at that. Beautiful setup here, breaking that resistance level on top. All right, breaking resistance here, buy signal here. And then Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. Let's see what we've got. All right, AMD buy signal here, guys, breaking resistance here, and this is pretty cheap for Bullmaster Pro. Okay, 18.22. Buy signal came in at 15.12, breaking resistance here. Keep an eye on these purple support and resistance there, guys. That might slow down the trade. Coke is still consolidating here at the high. Buy signal here, and just consolidating. Buy signal came in at 9.32. Just hold in here, all right? Good sign it will break through at 12.74, okay? HWKN holding purple support and resistance, guys. Keep an eye on that, please. All right, NTRA buy signal here on a break of this resistance, and we had a little correction here. Here is your V. Right here. PLTR, Palantir, look at that, moving up nicely. Buy signal was right at $30, guys, trading at $32.50, and it is breaking out. We have about 3 videos on this stock. All right, so you guys get a chance, take a look at those videos. Buy signal here, breaking out nicely. And then SN is just holding here, okay? Again, we'll wait on the buy signals on the daily time frame on these indexes, all right, to start adding. The way we get buy signals is on a break of resistance. So although price is moving higher, All right, price is moving higher here on these indexes. We haven't broken, we haven't broken a resistance level. Okay, so we don't have buy signals. So that price could come on down. Okay, we haven't broken any resistance levels on the daily time frame on these indexes. Okay. Okay. Let's take a look at before I forget futures. So I want to show you guys what's going on with futures. We're going to add gold. Right, we talked about gold, that gold, let's go back here. I'm going to go back and forth here. We talked about gold, right? The last week we've been talking about gold, right? That it was for a while now. Has been moving higher here, right? Trading at $2,541. Nice price action, but we haven't seen that in the futures market, right? So we talked about heat seeker, all right, our futures heat seeker, and that gold wasn't showing up. Well, guess what? And we looked at it even last night. All of a sudden, gold is showing up, all right? So that's good, okay? So gold, guys, gold is showing up. So we show in the futures market, all right? So, all right, they're buying it. Those, all right, big money buying gold here. And all through here, look at that. Gold, this is all gold here. All gold. All right, all gold. I was wondering, where's gold, right? All in here. All right, so they're buying gold. So we do have a buy signal on gold, okay? So at GC is the symbol, and we got a buy signal here. Now, we did retrace red candle here, but we're getting in right here. Okay, and we have a very defined, and I was getting concerns like what's happening with gold? It's not showing up. It should show up. So now it's here. All right. So we have a very defined support, very defined resistance here, buy signal here. We are breaking through that resistance. Okay. On gold, on the weekly time frame, gold looks good. All right, buy signal here, good price action on the weekly time frame. So we have the daily looks good, weekly, and even on the monthly time frame, gold looks good. Okay. All right, so on the monthly time frame, we're breaking through a big resistance level here. It's on the monthly, guys. It goes back many years. And we do have a buy signal on the weekly, on the monthly time frame. This is the monthly. All right, so let's call resistance right about here. Buy signal came in here. And look here, guys. Every single month, we've been moving higher. A lot of volatility, though. Big pullbacks, but it's moving higher. So on the daily time frame, finally, in Monster Futures, we've got a buy signal, okay? We had a buy signal. I mean, finally, it's coming in, right? Gold is coming in Monster Futures, okay? That's a big deal. And most of the symbols here, all right, in Monster Futures for Heat Seeker, all right, we have a lot of gold in here, okay? So that's encouraging. That's encouraging. Stock Boss. All right. Stock Boss here, guys. Let's run it. I know we've got quite a bit here. Okay, we have 69. That's good for Stock Boss. So that's small caps, okay? But we're gonna wait. Right? We want to wait to see we get a buy signal, okay? Normally, we'll move that time frame to a 15-minute time frame, guys. I mean, not a 15, a 240. All right, a 240 time frame to get an early entry. And we'll usually do that in October, right, when the buying season starts. But we're in August, okay? We're still in a soft market as far as seasonality, okay? So we'll wait on a hard, firm buy signal. If we can get it, no, you guys know sometimes I'll change my mind, okay, based on how things are going, right? If the market's really moving higher and we get buy signals on, let's say, two, the S&P and the NASDAQ, we might call it, okay, based on how market's moving. The market isn't roaring. It is moving higher, but it's not screaming buys, okay? So, like, you know, I mean, it's moving up nicely here, but it's not going crazy, okay? So, there'll be time to buy. All right, so stock boss, so we have 69, did I say 69? Let's see what sector. So start getting ready though. Oh, stock boss traders, start getting ready. Okay, that's small caps, start getting ready. So healthcare, all right, healthcare, not a lot in technology, a few healthcare. So they're about evenly divided among the basic material around the sectors. All right, so we would like to see one sector really jump out. Bull master, let's see here. 104, that's good. That's really healthy. All right, for bull master. So 104, that's a good number. Let's see what sectors they're buying here. All right, financials, healthcare. All right, so we have more of healthcare here. And more of services. That's communication services and technology, okay, also. All right, so we have a good amount of healthcare, all right, communication services, and a good amount of technology, all right? What time is it? We might take a look at Bullmaster Pro, okay? I'm sorry, Bullmaster. Bullmaster Pro, let's see here. Bullmaster Pro, it looks really good, right? Really, really good price action. In relative strength at new highs, we've got some decent trades here, okay? That's Palantir right here. All right, at new highs. New buy signal here, ASPN. All right. These are not ready yet. Okay. But again, we're going to wait for buy signals. But Bullmaster doesn't look bad. All right, a lot of good technology here. All right, communication services, that's a lot. And then healthcare here, okay? But let's do this first. If we have time, we might go through some of those just to see. Monster Scalper, let's spend some time here, okay? Let's look for new positions in Monster Scalper. And we're going to start with dollar shorts, okay? Now, I think we've probably missed this. Let's take a look here. On the 60-minute time frame, all right? So dollar short on the 60-minute time frame first. Oh, look at that short trade here. Guys, we missed this. All right, so short here, signal here, good short in ZAR, dollar ZAR. All right. On the 60 minutes, it's gone, definitely gone. So don't chase it. On the 240, it's gone. So we're going to add it on. It's still available to trade. Choppy in here, but it is breaking support here. Okay. All right, breaking support here, sell short signal here. So dollars are, all right, USD, ZAR in Forex dominator short. All right. So the dollar index is breaking lower. Let's see. Okay, let's get to it. All right. USD SGD, good shorts going on here on the 240. If you guys took this, good job, right? Good trading here. It's gone on every time frame, even the daily. All right, even the daily. USD SGD, USD SEK. All right, so USD SEK, it's gone on the 60-minute. All right, but we can still grab it on the 240 and the daily. So 240 here. All right, that still looks good. And on the daily here, still looks good. Okay, so USD SEK. All right, short on the 240 and on the daily. On the 60, it's gone. All right, here's the 60 here. So short here, still holding. All right, USD PLN, we're in that one already on 60, 240 and daily. USD NOK, we're in it on the 240. It's gone on the 60. No sell short signal yet on the daily. Keep an eye on it if that comes through there. All right, USD MXN, all right, it's giving us an opportunity here. Sell short signal here. It's holding nicely there on the 240. Nothing on the 60-minute on the daily. So USD MXN short on the 240. It's gone. USD HUF, it's gone on the 60, 240. That's gone too. Wow. On the daily, we've got a fresh new buy signal on the daily. Okay, so we'll add that on the daily. All right, right here. And you guys can do this too. You can find the time frame, all right, that you can trade it on. USD. Those of you, you've been with us for a while, you can move that 60 to a 30 or even lower if you've got the time to watch it. All right, USD HUF short on the 240. Let's keep going. These shorts, I'm surprised, guys. These shorts are really working out. Nothing yet here. Oof. All right, USD DKK, good short on the 60, good short on the 240. All right, it's that. All right, so USD DKK. Short on the 240. All right, hasn't gone too far yet. And on the daily also. All right. So for 240 and daily for USD DKK. USD CZK, are we in this one? Yeah, on the daily here. 240 is gone. Wow. 240 is gone. 60 is gone. USD CNH. All right, we're going to add it on the 240 purple support and resistance. That's good. Sell short signal here, right? Testing support right there. Hopefully it breaks out. USD CNH. Okay. The good news with the dollar short like this is that the yen should go up. All right. Yen pairs should go up. Dollar Swiss. All right. So dollar Swiss on the 60 looks good. USD CHF short on the 60 right here. Yellow support and resistance. Keep an eye on that. We need that to break through. On the 240 sell short signal here, right? Yellow support and resistance. We need that to come on down. So 240 USD CHF short 240. Can't trade them all, guys, so just find your spot. All right. Still buyers, right? Still favoring the yen long as the trade. But boy, these dollar pairs are shaping up nicely. That's gone too far on the daily here. Okay. So shorts are setting up. We've missed a few. All right. Let's take a look at long positions in Monster Scalper. We'll start on the 60-minute time frame. So guys, you see buyers coming in here. This is what we want. This will start your rotation, all right? This looks like a start of a rotation. So with the rotations, we want to see where the Aussie, all right, Aussie, New Zealand, or Kiwi pairs and the yen pairs are either buying, right? Buying like we see here. And we want that to be the majority buying, which it is. And then for the dollar pairs, we want to see those short coming down, okay? Also the euro pairs, okay? But definitely yen and dollar pairs. We want to see the opposite, okay? So if it's coming down red, going down in that markdown phase, we want to see these yen pairs moving up, breaking resistance. We want to see these breaking support, these breaking resistance, right? Buyers are coming in here. This is where we get our rotations. Okay, and then we'll feed in Aussie, New Zealand. All right, fill in the euro pairs, and the pound pairs, they'll do their own thing. So this is a good start of direction. Okay, think of rotation. That's just moving from one group to the next. All right, so let's go through this Aussie dollar buy signal here, moving up nicely here. All right, on the 60. And on the 240, we're in Aussie Swiss, okay? Aussie New Zealand, nothing here yet. All right, on the 240, let's see here. Can we do anything with the 240? Not yet. We have a buy signal, but Aussie Swiss, we're in it, moving up nicely here. So we're in Aussie Swiss on the 60 and the 240. Aussie CAD, all right, Aussie CAD, we've got it on the 240. Don't have it on the 60, but we've got it on the 240. No buy signal yet on the daily, okay? All right, New Zealand dollar on the 240. Let's add it on the 240. Okay, so NZD, USD, long on the 240. All right. Good trade going on the 60-minute there. Aussie Swiss. All right. I'm sorry, New Zealand Swiss on the, we've got it on the 60 minute. So we've got this trade here on the 60 minute. We're going to add it. Nice trades, guys. Look at here. All right. So nice markdown phase, buy signal moving up nicely on the 240. So New Zealand Swiss on the 240. So we got New Zealand dollar and New Zealand Swiss long on the 240 time frame. Okay. Good setup here. All right. Mark down, mark up, buy signal there. Okay. All right, and we also have it on the 60 minute here. Good trades. That's New Zealand Swiss, New Zealand CAD. What do we have for New Zealand CAD? Nothing, no buy signals on the 240 or on the daily. On the 60, it's got a good trade going here, okay? Yen pairs. ZAR Yen on the 240, let's see. No buy signal on the 60 minute. All right, that's still good to get in. All right, so ZAR Yen long. On the 240, ZAR Yen. All right, this is what we want. We want to see buyers come in these yen pairs. Okay. Wait, guys, this could be setting up for a buy signal here. All right, here's your pullback. All right, here is your resistance. It breaks through that resistance here. We'll get a buy signal here. So keep an eye on that. ZAR Yen. Nothing here. Nothing here. SGD, JPY, wait for a buy signal. New Zealand Yen. All right, just give a buy signal here, guys. Look at that. Look at that buy signal. Nice buy signal. Here's your discount, okay? Here's your pullback. All right, buy signal here. That's NZD, JPY, NZD. All right, so the Kiwi pairs are moving. NZD, JPY, long on the 60-minute time frame in Monster Scalper. Okay, so buy signal here. Okay, on the 240, we're in it already. So in the 240, right, we've already called this New Zealand Yen. Nothing on the daily yet. Okay, HKD Hong Kong Yen, nothing yet. Pound yen, guys, keep an eye on pound yen. Now we're in it on the 240, just waiting for a buy signal on the 60 minute. All right, it's recovering, trying to recover. All right, the trend line here. All right, so that buy signal should come in somewhere in this area here. Pound yen on the 60 minute. Euro yen. All right, no buy signal yet. But keep an eye on these yen pairs. Swiss yen, no buy signal yet. CAD yen, no buy signal. And then Aussie yen, we do have a buy signal. So Aussie yen, guys, we have a buy signal. Now we're in Aussie yen on the 240. All right. Buy signal here, moving up nicely right here on the 240. But we do have a fresh new buy signal on the 60 minute. Now it's been choppy right here, right here, right here, right here. All right, so I wouldn't go heavy. Just test it first with the small. You can test it with the small position first. Okay, it's been choppy. So Aussie yen long on the 60-minute time frame. Okay. All right. All right. That's it. Okay. We're Euro pairs, guys. If you're trading some of the Euro, just be careful. Okay, very mixed. All right. We haven't had a breakout in the euro pairs in a long time. Okay. Pound pairs, pretty much the same thing. So let's stick with dollar pairs short. If you know you want to trade that, they're trading well. But then the trade we really want to be with right now, the Aussie, Kiwi, and yen pairs. Okay, but that dollar trade is doing well. So if we take a look again at that dollar index right here, once the futures, right, the dollar has really good support here. This is not good for the dollar though. Okay, so the dollar is at 101. As a matter of fact, you know, a weak dollar is good. A weak dollar is actually good for the country. All right. So if you guys look here, sell short signal here. So we do have a sell short signal. Okay. And here we are breaking support here. All right. Convincingly. Okay. And the next target is all the way down here. So, and we're seeing some good moves short, right? Dollar short. Right here, I wouldn't be too concerned. Well, let's see here. You might have some near-term, if you get past here, near-term support in this area. All right, probably right in here. Okay, so all right, so right here, this is where we are. You might find some near-term support in this area here, okay, which is 100. That would be $100. So it's at 101.72, 100 here, and then if it breaks lower, all the way down here is 98. Let's take a look at big picture, and then we'll be done. Big picture on the dollar. Oh my gosh. All right. So on the weekly time frame, guys, keep it. All right. On the weekly time frame, we've got support right at $100 here. Okay. So right here. All right. That's a level here. I know it's resistance, but on the way down, this becomes support. Here, all this right here. Here. This is where buyers came in before. This doesn't look good, okay? So we have sellers coming in here, and they're coming in pretty heavy. They're closing that price right at that low, okay? So let's see what it does at support here. If it fails, if support fails here, right, buyers fail to hold up, that dollar could go much lower. The next support area we have on the dollar, man, I would say probably 90, but that's a long way away. Okay, so yeah, 90 right here, guys. I'm trying to remember a weak dollar. Yeah, weak dollar is bearish for stocks. All right. So a weak dollar, you would think, okay, a weak dollar, that's not good for the economy, but no, it's good. It's good for stocks. I mean, yeah. All right. Okay, so good support down here at $90. So if it breaks through $90 right here, see here, $90. So really good support. So if it breaks through right here, guys, we could see it move lower. All right, no guarantee it will do that, but that's what's going on. So those shorts, look, you guys, look for some, find your areas. If you've missed it on the 60-minute, like we've missed some on the 60 and the 240, you can probably, if you're savvy, been with us for a while, probably you can trade the 30-minute, okay? Or just wait for a pullback and you might have an opportunity, okay? All right, guys, that's surprising. I'm surprised by the dollar. I'm surprised by two things. The market continuing to move higher, getting, right, in August, getting ready to break new highs, and the dollar really weakening, okay? All right, but that's the market. All right, we just follow the price action. All right, guys, take care. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Take